Miss Jill, and today I am going to read a class favorite, Little Excavator. This book was written and illustrated by Anna Dewdney. That means she wrote the words and she drew the pictures. She also wrote the words and drew the pictures for all of the Llama Llama books, like Llama Llama Red Pajama. So this is a classroom favorite. I hope you all enjoy it. Here we go. Our story starts with this picture of the lot where all of the construction is going to take place. They're going to turn it into a beautiful park. Here come the big rigs rolling down the street. Thumpa, thumpa, bumpa, bumpa, beep, beep, beep. Can you see little E ready on the spot? He's the little excavator working on the lot. Wham goes the dozer, knocking down the walls. Rumble, rumble, crumble, crumble, fall, fall, fall. The little excavator doesn't look too sure about that. Looks a little scared. Little E is busy. He goes bam, bam, bam. Uh-oh, little excavator, now you're in a jam. Rum goes the loader, lifting up the trash. Push-a, push-a, smush-a, smush-a, smash, smash, smash. Little E tries lifting up some junk, junk, junk. But there goes little excavator, over with a clunk. Vroom goes the dump truck with a load to lug. Thunka, thunka, clunka, clunka, chug, chug, chug. Little E just wants to lug all day, day, day. Look out, little excavator, don't get in the way. Brump goes the backhoe, digging in the dirt. Clang, clang, bang, bang, work, work, work. Little E is helping too. He can dig, dig, dig. Not yet, little excavator. Someday when you're big. Whirr goes the tall crane, rising in the sky. Whoosh, whoosh, swoosh, swoosh. High, high, high. Little E is stretching. He gets tall, tall, tall. Sorry, little excavator, you're too small. Now, there's one last job and the busy day is done. But no big rig can do it, not a single one. Everybody tries it, and it's much too tight. Oh, but look at little excavator. But can it be? Little E fits just right. Good job, little excavator. Time to take a bow. There's work to do just for you, here and now. And look at that, he put in an apple tree. You may be small, little E, but you will grow. You're a mighty little excavator. Go, go, go. And look what they've built. A beautiful park where everyone can go and enjoy their time outdoors. That's it. The end, my friends. I hope you enjoyed our reading of The Little Excavator by Anna Dewdney. This is one of our favorite classroom books. I hope I get to read it to you again in person one day, very soon. Until then, take care. I love you guys. I miss you, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.